Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this super cute Flexi Rod set on an old silk press, and I am so in love. I did this hairstyle same day, so as long as you got a blow dryer, you can do this within a couple of hours. And I'm obsessed with the results. I cannot wait for you guys to get into this video. But before we hop into it, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and get into this tutorial. Here's what you'll need. I started off with some Flexi Rods. This is the size that I use, and I'm going to be using the Nairobi wrapping lotion, super lightweight. And then last but not least, you're going to need some type of dryer, or you can sleep on the hairstyle. It's optional. And I'm starting off on an old silk press, so it's like super oily, but it's definitely still straight. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to sectioning. So today I'm not going to be doing any hard down parts or anything like that. I'm really going to be free parting my hair, but the amount of hair that I'm grabbing is going to be correspondent to the size of the Flexi Rod. Once you go ahead and have your section in hand, next what you want to do is go ahead and get your foam. And I only use about 1.5 pumps of this, and I do use a little bit of extra foam on the ends of my hair because my hair is super duper blunt. However, you just want to take about a good pump, and you want to go ahead and start to wrap the hair around the Flexi Rod. So you guys will see that my wrist is doing a full 360 as I'm wrapping the hair around. This is just going to give me a good spiral curl, and I love the outcome of these type of curls. So if you want the same type of curls, just make sure that your wrist is doing that motion. And then as you guys can see on the ends, it is struggling to wrap around. So then I just add a little bit of extra foam. And keep in mind, you guys, the more product that you use is the longer your hair will take to dry. So don't use too much, and foam is a good lightweight product that doesn't take long at all, so that's why I prefer using this. From here, you just want to continue that same process all around your hair, but like I said, you guys, make sure that you don't use too defined of parts. I'm really just grabbing hair as I go, and making sure that it's not too much at one time, and then I just continue to do this. Also, you guys, make sure that you're alternating which way the curls are going. That way, when you take them out, you have more of a natural looking fro, if that makes sense, and not all of the curls are going the same exact way. So you'll see during the process where I'll do some of the curls going towards my face and some of them going away from my face, and then I'll do some rods going towards the right side and some going towards the left side. You just want to make sure to do like a good little mixture of different directions of curls for the best outcome. So once you complete your entire hair, this is what it should look like. I used about a total of 24 rods, 6 in each section of my hair. As you guys can see, is more than enough. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. So if you don't have a hooded dryer, or in this case, what I have in the video is a bonnet dryer, then you could just sleep on this and it'll just naturally air dry. However, if you want something a little bit quicker and you need it the same day, you want to go ahead and get one of these or a hooded dryer and just sit underneath it for about an hour and 30 minutes. That is how long it took for these curls to dry, and you just want to check them here and there. And as you guys can see, I'm checking it here and I'm like, yeah, nope, it needs to go back under the dryer. So I just go ahead and re-wrap it up, and then I sit under the dryer for about another 30 minutes. And then once it is all dry, you guys, it is time for the takedown process. So while I take down my hair, I do like to have a little bit of oil on my hands just to make sure to reduce frizz. But in this case, you guys, my hair was already super oily before I started this process, so I didn't need any extra oil. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in and just unwinding those flexi rods. And then after we get them all unwinded, we're gonna go ahead and separate and style. Last but not least, let's just go ahead and separate these curls. So this is my favorite part. I just love fluffing out the curls, and for me, honestly, I don't really care too much if I accumulate like a little bit of frizz. Like, I just want the biggest, bounciest outcome as possible, if that makes sense. So I'm separating them. I'm separating them a lot, actually, and I'm just going one by one and just twisting it around in my finger, as you guys can see, just to keep that curl. But I'm not shy at all when it comes to separating. Like, I will separate the hair 8, 9, 10 times if I have to, just to get my afro to just be super, super big. So after separating all of the curls, you should have something like this, which is super cute. But if you're like me and your hair is on the shorter side and you would like just a little bit more length, you just want to take your blow dryer and just pull on some sections and just apply heat to it. This is just going to give you a little bit more of a stretched outcome. And you guys, I literally sat there and played in my hair for, I know, 30 minutes, like just doing this, flipping my hair over, picking it out, stretching it out, pulling apart the curls. Like, this is the most fun part of the process for me, just playing in my hair until I get it the way that I want. So that's what you guys will see me doing here. But if you followed each step, this should be your ending outcome. You guys, I am so in love with the product of this hair. Like, can y'all see this? This is bringing me back to my natural hair days. And honestly, you guys, this hairstyle alone has made me just want to go back curly like full time, because I'm just like, look how cute this is. It's so girly and so easy to maintain. You guys, all you got to do is throw it up in a bonnet and you're ready to go for the next day. And I'm in love. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you turn your post notifications on so you don't never miss a post. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.